All your health records, your tests, prescriptions, notes from the doctors, all at the click of a button. Traveling for a procedure, no need to carry heavy files, just a health ID on your mobile app will do. Well, that's the promise coming in from the Modi government. Prime Minister has talked about it earlier as well, and today as well he reiterated that. But in a country which is still struggling with primary healthcare in remote corners, a country where concentration of health services and professional happens to be in the metros, in urban centre, is this a very ambitious project with lots of challenges? The next report takes you through that.
The COVID pandemic has pushed an estimated 230 million people back into poverty.
कड़ी मेहनत करके गरीबी से बाहर निकलने के लिए हर कोई कोशिश करता है और अचानक परिवार में एक बीमारी आ जाए तो सारी मेहनत मिट्टी में मिल जाती है। देशवासियों को अब एक डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी मिलेगी। हर नागरिक का हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड डिजिटली सुरक्षित रहेगा।
नमस्कार।
Today, the Prime Minister said that the new digital health ID will help to address this.
इन लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं।
This is how it will work. Every Indian will now get a digital health ID, which can be used to access all their health records. It can be used anywhere in India with no past paperwork required. Registries of healthcare professionals and facilities will be set up so that people can access it easily. This will create interoperability in the digital health ecosystem and ensure ease of doing business for doctors, hospitals and healthcare providers. It will also be available on a mobile app.
The poorest Indians who need health coverage do not use smartphones. How they will benefit from this digital mission is an unanswered question.
Public policy experts say that the digital health mission does not address the basic problems in the healthcare system, like the number of beds or doctors and nurses.
From when is the absence of a healthcare ID a serious problem in access to healthcare? It is not so. Whatever contribution it has, it is overwhelmed by issues like the availability of skilled providers in many areas. And what is the value addition that a digital ID does for the patient?
While questions on privacy are being raised since this policy is being passed without a data protection law in place, given recent tragedies, it is hoped that digital health IDs will genuinely improve access to healthcare. In New Delhi, Meher Pandey for NDTV.